Okay, so you see it's perfectly working PC. We're going to be taking it apart, kind of. We're going to take out the RAM, we're going to take out the hard drive and the disk drive. In today's video, yeah, cut to the intro. Okay, first of all, we need to unplug everything though. We need to keep this very safe. I have no care for anything anymore. I just need to turn it off now. Thank you, Windows. No. How do you turn off a PC again? It's deleting it. Do that. I'm actually properly a genius, so like, buttons don't mean things to me. Here's unplug everything that ever existed. There you go. This is definitely not my best video, but I'm not very good at YouTube anymore, so. It's a Dell PC. Yep, so I'm just gonna do it like this. And you're gonna watch me suffer for about 20 minutes because I'm not a PC boy. You can bet your bottom dollar I cannot do the PCs. There's the PC in all its glory. Right, let's just get started by taking off the side panel. Metal. Big on. I suppose there's still toys or anything else. Right. So let's just start off with the disk drive. It's just two little cables right there. Just go wiggly, 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 and pull. Do this one. Just pull the connector. Alright, there we go. Who wants a disk drive? I'm not giving it away. Who do you think I am? I can't put this out. Right, so with the hard drive, it's just a Seagate hard drive. You just need to pull down this one here. That was definitely a sound it's supposed to make. Don't ask. I've been in here today already. It's like not the time to be asking questions anymore about how this all works. This is like more sleep deprived. Well craft, isn't it? Out you come. Now I've got the entire hard drive out, we may as well just launch this over here. Now I have to put that down nicely. It's my good hard drive. The only hard drive actually. So I'm big smart. Okay, you can see here, got 2 sticks of RAM, which is very important. We need to be very careful. 2 GB stick. Woohoo! Well, look at me go with a 2 gig stick. We've got 4 gigs in RAM. As you notice, I'm taking it all off camera, so you can't see how bad it is behind here. Right, is it worth taking out the CPU? Probably not. I am too scared to take out anything for the fan. I really want to take it out. I'm just too scared. Well, that's just the entire front panel to come off. No, I want you to come off. Dell PC. Oh, dude! That's dust that we need to get rid of. So we're going to clean out the dust. We're going to just give it a little bit of a, clean up. Oh man, the I/O. Oh, hold up. Stay right there. Okay, so at what point has that got anything to do with anything? That's just a massive hole. Dell, how dare you? I need to stop. No, I'm just unclipping things from the back now because I'm taking this actually out. Oh god. I don't know what I've just unclipped, but it didn't sound good. I'm a little bit sceptical about taking out the back I/O. But hey, we've got time. Let's have a look. So I don't know what this actually does. It just looks like it just clips. For no reason. Oh, Dell, what were we doing without you? You want to just like take it off or something? Are the cool kids do nowadays? Hasn't got a graphics card, which I'm deeply sad about. Yeah, I'm very sad it hasn't got a graphics card. I'm so sad. Like, I'm genuinely sad. So now, Dell, you've made me upset. How flipping dare you? What does this even do? To unlock the optical drive? I don't know anymore. Just want this bit here just to go pop. And out it goes. How do I get this side back? I've got so many questions about Dell that I'm just not going to bother answering today. I simply can't be bothered. I really can't be bothered. We need the iFixit kit, boys. Because we're taking out a fan or heatsink or something, I don't know. I don't know how PCs work, I'm just a phone guy. So I'm risking my time and effort today to remove parts of a PC I've literally never touched. I've touched RAM before, hell yeah, I do that. I touch RAM. That sounds like I'm a paedophile, doesn't it, for RAM? I touched up the RAM. I might have to cut that out, I'm not sure. The Jimmy Savile of the RAM world. God, I need to stop. See, this is why my videos get taken down. Jimmy Savile of the RAM world. This video is so going on my Patreon. This is not going on. It's definitely not a YouTube video. Thank you, Xbox One. No, I don't know why I'm thanking Xbox One anymore. Who even likes Xbox? Me? Okay. So in a minute, this is just going to go kaplunk and we're all going to be dead. Like, you ready for the end of the world, guys? I'm not. But I sure hope you are. Stick your skull in there, you stupid cow. Scraping it. Why? Dell. This isn't funny anymore. See, look, if you were genuinely trying to remove this and not just being an idiot, this would actually be very annoying. See, that's all wiggly now. I want to see my CPU. I want to see my CPU. Got to tell them. I want to see my CPU. I want to see my CPU. Again. I want to see my CPU. This does nothing. Oh, Dell, man. Why do you do this? So I've just found out where the CPU lives. I'm going in there. You can't actually see what I'm doing, which is maybe a good thing, because if you could, I'm pretty convinced you'd all cry. No, ain't coming out, boys. That's very firm. I don't have to put any of this back. Okay, we're just going to start putting in screws. I have no clue what I'm doing. All these connectors mean nothing to me. Which in reality, very good idea of what the hell on earth. Ah! I will kill you, Dell. Optiplex 390. This has not been a tech video, this has been me angrily talking to a computer for like however long this has been going on now. And I'm so sorry I've wasted your time. Please, if you subscribe, you'll get forever like free content on anything. Honestly, just subscribe, please. I need views and subs, please. Just subscribe now, because it's not. If you don't, like, you kind of wasted time by actually turning up. So like by just like turning up and doing nothing, you've wasted more time in hindsight. I don't know anymore. Just do whatever you want. Comment, share, dislike. Snap it off. Buy a new phone and just like delete YouTube for good. Because it's the bottom of the barrel, guys. When I said guys, who are you even addressing? And why is this screw not going in? So I'm just a phone guy. Be cool. That went in so far. End of my sentence. Well, I see them out of context montages. Never make one about me. That's not in properly, but it's my PC, so I don't care. So yeah. So now we're going to move on to putting things back, I guess. Starting off with the front panel, which has all the funky things. So I just kind of want to keep this. Like, if I ever get rid of this machine, I'm going to keep this. Because it's mine. And Dell, you can't buy that from me. Honestly, I've seen you guys. You guys are rabid weirdos. This has been the saddest video of my life. Oh, don't make it sad, Adele. Honestly, if you ever want to see not sleep deprived, like deprived of any motivation content again, it's going to be somewhere again. This content won't be gone for long. Why are you not going in? See, Dell, this is where I start having problems with you. You don't manufacture things. Wow! Well enough that an idiot like me can get it on. Honestly, if anyone heard me, I'd be very much not ever coming outside ever again. That's in. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. No, I'm joking. We have to get everything else back in still. Because Dell made this user upgradable, so I'm going to do what I want. We need RAM. I'm handling it well. I'm not juggling. I'm not juggling because that's a stupid idea. No, very careful. No, I'm joking. I have to be very careful with this. Because you run my entire life now. Random RAM sticks that I got given, gave. I've just touched the... You idiot. Had actually got a graphics card slot. Does that come out? Hold up, we might just have made a groundbreaking discovery on this channel, guys. There's a graphics card slot there. Does that mean that these come out? Or am I an idiot? Probably the latter. I'm just an idiot. Okay. Sorry for wasting your time. Let's put that back in. This time. tone. That's not ruined the PC. Well, I made a re-record earlier. And if you want to see that, we need to get to 100 subs. Because you need to see the re-records before you judge me on PC skills. How do people get this in so well? I can barely clip it in. Or am I just actually stupid? We've got the hard drive I'm definitely not just about to throw. I'm not, because this has got Windows 10 on it and I can't afford to lose that. It's a very valuable asset. Right, so it's this one that goes in. Not the orange I learnt from last time. Gotta stop being a moron. I've learned how to use a PC a little bit better now. So please, in we go. I can't deal with this anymore. Wow guys, I'm big tech genius. I just clip things in and it sometimes works. Why am I selling myself short? Like I'm not terrible at this. Just don't trust me around your own stuff. I don't barely trust myself around my own stuff anymore. I'm scared of the consequences of my actions. Okay, let's just tuck that in. Pretend like this never happened. It's all hunky dory, Dell. You don't need to come and catch me. I haven't done a review of this thing. I've already taken it apart. Oh, Dell, never get old, eh, buddy, old fella, old mate. If I put this upside down, would it matter? Yes, it would. Because it go upside down. Now, this one goes in. Then this. And it should, in theory, turn on. I like having no side panel on it, not because you can see in, it's just because I like unplugging my disk drive. Sorry, it's really weird. I need to seek help, like within the next couple of hours, because this is a bad thing now. Drawing power. I've still got like 30 odd things to still plug in, so like, don't get off me, you little fella. If that's not a good sign, it boots, so that's all we need to know. So now I need to plug it all back in, so woo. Oh, I still need to put I need to put the side panel on regardless, because it's like dust and that. Apparently that matters nowadays. I don't know, I'm still a 90s child. I'm not. I was born in the wrong generation. Ouch. This video has just been a massive stupid failure. Don't watch. Oh, if I'm telling you not to watch, that means you've already seen the video. That means you've watched, therefore you've gone against my wishes. And if you go against my wishes, you have to like and subscribe. It's all fucking boom. God, I'm gonna have a nightmare plugging this all back in. Right, let's just plug it all in. Who cares what it is anymore? If it's going in, it's going in. English? No. In. Don't ask. Actually, please don't. No, I can see Optiplex. I don't want to see Optiplex. That's an ugly logo. OnePlus is much better. Look at that. Cut out. You don't need to ask questions. I'm definitely mentally stably okay. More. That is my English. Mentally stably okay. That is what I am. I am mentally stably. And it's going to update my system, of course it is. Thank you, Dell. I can't blame it on Dell, I can blame it on Microsoft. Thank you, Microsoft. Microsoft Windows. And it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this absolute show of art. I really wish I wasn't here to do this, but I am. So yeah, bye. See you in the next one.